In one of the biggest overseas deals by an Indian company, Bharti Enterprises has picked up a 24.5% stake in BT Group. The more than a century-old BT Group, which was once a monopoly in the UK, is still the country's largest mobile and broadband services provider. The stake will be bought from French-owned Altis, which is currently the largest shareholder in BT. The deal will be executed via Bharti Televentures UK, a wholly owned subsidiary of Bharti Enterprises international investment arm Bharti Global. 9.99% of the stake will be bought immediately and the remaining 14.51% after receiving regulatory clearances. Bharti has made it clear that it has no plans to make an offer to buy the whole of BT Group. For the Bharti Group founder Sunil Bharti Mittal, the deal brings a corporate journey full circle. BT Group has bought 21% stake in Bharti Airtel in its early days along with the two board sets. According to Mittal, the current deal marks a significant milestone in Bharti Group's history as the group invests in BT. Bharti is the only one among the several Indian companies which own iconic British brands. Tata Group has long owned the Jaguar Land Rover and Tetley tea brands. Apogee Sundra owns the Taifu tea brand. Hamleys, the finest toy shop in the world, is now Reliance Company. The 163-year-old BSA, manufacturers of motorcycles, has been revived by Mahindra & Mahindra. Similarly, Royal Enfield was a British brand before being given a new lease of life by Eicher Motors. Indian companies have, in fact, more than a foothold in the British industrial landscape. According to a report by Grant Thornton, UK attracted 118 new FDI projects from India, creating a total of 8,384 jobs. This investment was the second largest after the US. The same report says that 971 companies in the UK are owned by Indian corporates in 2024, an increase of 17 from 2023. These companies had a turnover of more than £68 billion sterling and contributed £1.17 billion to the British Exchequer. The number of employees in these companies rose by 12% in a year. Meanwhile, the deal with the BT Group is expected to create a new tech synergies helping Bharti in the areas of artificial intelligence, research and development on 5G and core engineering, among others. Bureau Report, Business Today Television.